Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, I'm going to be doing my July Boxycharm unboxing. I am literally so tired today, you guys, that I was not going to film, but I have the house to myself, so I figured what better way to go ahead and take advantage of this opportunity. And I haven't done a Boxycharm for you guys in a hot minute, so why not? My box actually came kind of like busted off the sides, and like the sides were open. I think it may have gotten wet, so I already pulled the stuff out of the box and I'll just hold it up as we go. So this month's theme is all natural, and I'm really excited that they did the card this time. I don't know why. I think I prefer the cards over like the booklets. It really doesn't matter in the grand scheme of things, but either way. Which is also why I'm like really laid back and chilling with a hairband and stuff, because why not fit the theme? In this box you also get a little card for a flash facial at the Ulta Beauty Skin Bar, along with the brand Elemis. And this is not anything with like a coupon code. This is just something you have. So I am pretty excited. I think I may actually utilize this and try this out. I've never had a facial done at the Ulta Beauty Skin Bar, so I would be interested to see how that goes. And now I know you guys are wondering, Alyssa, when are you going to address the fact that you're wearing a face mask right now? Well, funny you should ask, you guys, because the first product in this month's box is this face mask by the brand Elemis, or Elemis. This is a superfood vital veggie mask. This retails for $35. So this says, get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. When I was reading the directions, it did say that a tingling sensation might occur when you use it, and that you keep it on for 10 minutes. I'm not getting a tingling sensation. I'm getting more of like a cooling sensation. It does smell like Vicks Vapor Rub to me, which I don't mind because I love the smell of Vicks Vapor Rub, which was funny because while I was putting it on, I was like, oh, this would probably be a good mask to wear if you're not feeling so great, because then like it feels good and it smells good. I put it on with my fingers, which is why it looks the way it looks, but it's also like as it's drying down, it's kind of like disappearing into my skin, because I promise you at one point it was covering my whole face. It does say it has avocado and broccoli seed oils and vitamin C and passion fruit acids. I thought that was interesting because I didn't think that those items would smell the way it smells on my face, but either way. So I'm going to finish up this. I'm going to let it rest for a couple more minutes and I'll take it off, and then we will dive in to the rest of the box. But I just want to take this time to kind of let you see what the face mask looks on the face, because I know I typically don't try out a bunch of skincare on camera just because it takes time. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I am back, and obviously I have a little bit of makeup on now. I will say that I love that I'm doing a natural look today, because this look so far, it literally took me like less than 10 minutes to get the mask on and get all this stuff on. I do want to touch on the mask really quickly before I move on. When you take it off, that cooling sensation is much more prominent, and I really enjoyed it. As I took it off, my skin was so soft and so smooth feeling. It just felt very refreshed and hydrated, I guess is the best way. And even putting my makeup on over top of it just felt really good. I still had that kind of clean and cooling sensation that like the mask left over underneath this makeup. I really like it, and I think that my makeup applied beautifully over top after doing this. So this may be something I use like before I do makeup, especially if I'm going for a more like natural, healthy looking kind of a look like this, because I feel like my skin looks so nice right now, which is funny because it's not like I thought my skin was like terrible when I started the video, but underneath my mask, you guys, I haven't been having a great skin week because it's that time of the month. So my skin has been very dry and just kind of broken out and just not that nice, but I think my skin looks great right here, honestly. I think I look very like healthy and fresh face, so I do like it. Okay, but so we're gonna go ahead and start moving on with the rest of the items in the box. First, I wanna go ahead and mention this set right here, 3-piece brush set. This retails for $30. I'm going to take the brushes out really quickly so you can see what we got going on. Okay, so there are 3 brushes that come in this set, and they look like this. They've got like these nice pink wooden handles and this like rosy gold kind of a piece here. I don't even know what that's called. I'm trying to be technical. And so it looks like you get a foundation brush, a like blending brush, and they call this a precision crease brush. So I'm very excited. I will try and use these today. I wish I would have known about this before because I could have put the face mask on with this. I don't really use these brushes for foundation because I typically pump it on my hand and like use a beauty blender or a brush, but the bristles do feel really nice. They feel really good. So I'm going to set that one aside and I'll try and use at least one of these with my eye look. Go ahead and diving on in to the next piece then. This is the Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. This retails for $32. This is what it looks like on the inside. These are really nice colors. Again, I think it really goes with this natural type theme because I mean, look at it, it's kind of wooden and I do like all the flowers. I'm excited to try this. This doesn't scream much. I think the blue in this is the kind of the most exciting thing in there. But, I mean, for an everyday palette, I think it's really nice. It is 2 matte shades and then 4 shimmers. You guys know that I prefer my palettes to have more mattes than shimmers in them. But, I mean, that's just me. It's not that big of a deal. Not everyone feels the same way I do. So I am going to grab another palette to kind of help me with this because I know I am going to want something slightly lighter than the dark matte brown shade in there. So I'm just going to pull out, I think I'm just going to grab this Morphe 25A palette that I have since it's a very, very neutral palette. And I think I can dip into this to get some slightly lighter brown shades. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in so that way you can check out what I'm going to be doing. Guys, so I've done my eyes. I want to go ahead and touch on another item in the box, which is this product right here. This is a gel liner by the brand Appeal. This retails for $21. This is in the shade, well, Deep Taupe. Oh, and so this is what it looks like swatched on my eyes. It gave off kind of like a little purpley tint, and maybe because of the blue underneath. I think it's really pretty. I will say it doesn't seem to be like staying a lot. Like I had to do quite a few layers as I was blinking. So this is definitely not waterproof, and this is not a twist up pencil. This is one that you have to sharpen. which are not my favorite kind, but I will say this did not tug at my eyes at all. It was very easy to put on, so I am excited about that. With the eyeshadow palette, you guys, this look is adorable. Now, it is so simple and very natural, but again, that's the whole theme of this box. It's very weird for me to do such a natural looking eye look, but I do like it. Even the little bit of blue, like it's just a touch, just a kiss, just enough to add something to it. But I really liked these shades, you guys. Like, I thought the shimmers in here, and I used the two lightest ones, Enchantress and Queen, down here, were really lovely. I'm excited to try the two in the middle. And honestly, these shades were not bad. I had a little bit of fallout with the blue eyeshadow, but that was kind of to be expected with that color. I thought the Temptress shade was nice. I did it very light-handed because I didn't want to go that dark. And so I think it gave it kind of like a nice purpley taupe kind of a color. So I liked that. This brush, the little tiny crease brush, which is the 246, is okay. I would probably use this more for something else, but it did push it right on the bottom. That may have been some of the reason I had some fallout. And I didn't mind this brush, actually. The 250, the blending brush, it's a little more stiff feeling than what I normally go for, but honestly, it dispersed all of my product really nice. I think for some reason it may have been just because I was like trying to be really careful with it, but honestly, I think it blended out my stuff nice and then kept the dark shade light enough where I think it like goes with this look and it doesn't look like I just threw like a dark color on the outer corner. Do you know what I'm saying? Last but not least, we have this product right here, and this is the Alamar Cosmetics Mother of Pearl Gloss. This retails for $10. The packaging, you guys, is adorable. I love the glitter blue lid. This says it is a shade-shifting lip luminizer dripped in pearlescent reflex. Yeah, it's gluten-free, talc-free, and cruelty-free. I'm excited. This is in the shade Tesoro. Girl, I don't know. Let's swatch this really quickly on the hand. That is it right there. That's a gorgeous color. I'm really excited to try this. I'm going to try it by itself first. I honestly was nervous when I was like looking at this. I was like, how is this going to match my eye look? But, oh my god. Yo, whoa. That smells so good. It smells like, something I can't put my finger on. It smells like pineapple. It smells like a Dole Whip, you guys. All. Okay. There's the gloss. I don't really think it goes with the look that I've done. It's got a little too much of a, I don't know, golden sheen to it. I think it would look really pretty over top of another lip product. I don't hate it, but I just don't like it with this look as much. I think if it was a little more clear, like with less color in it, I'd probably like it more with this look. But I think it just looks like a little too much. But I will say, very smooth, not sticky at all. I love the smell, and yeah, it feels hydrating. I won't know as much about that unless I wear it more. But honestly, this is a very comfortable gloss. And you guys, it's funny because I have been loving Alamar Cosmetics. Everything that I've gotten in a Boxycharm, I have been so in love with. So I feel like I need to order some more stuff from the website and like try more of their things instead of like one product every month. So this month's box retails for $128. For those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box that costs you $21 a month. So I am more than made my money back this month, especially because I enjoyed everything. I'm so excited to continue to play with these products. If you yourself have Boxycharm, let me know what you got in your box down below. What was your favorite product? I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're feeling a little wild and crazy, go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you are notified every time I upload a brand new video. And hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye!